Hi everyone, and welcome to AI Tech for Growth channel. Lisa has been finding it increasingly difficult to turn YouTube off lately. She's always getting recommendations for her interests like home decorating and cats. And I'm sure you've been there too. As you already know that YouTube uses AI to personalize content recommendations by analyzing users' viewing history, preferences, and engagement patterns, keeping audiences on the platform longer. Personalized recommendation by AI is only the beginning. So, in today's video, we're going to unravel what AI really is. Let's begin with a straightforward definition. Artificial intelligence, or short, AI, is the field of programming machines to perform tasks that typically require human intelligence, such as reasoning, decision-making, and learning from experience. In essence, AI enables machines to think and act intelligently, much like human. Now, let's go a bit deeper. At its core, AI is primarily software that uses a variety of methodologies, with deep learning being one of the most prominent and effective approaches. Deep learning is powered by artificial neural networks, ANNs, systems inspired by the human brain. Deep learning enables AI to recognize patterns and learn from vast amounts of data, often referred to as big data. These networks are most efficiently trained using specialized hardware such as GPUs, which are designed for high-speed parallel computations. To Lisa, it might feel like AI is a recent phenomenon, emerging only in the past few years. However, in reality, AI has evolved over several decades and has been shaped by the contributions of many visionary researchers. Let's dive into its journey and explore the key milestones along the way. 1950s. Early contributions and milestones. The field of AI began in the 1950s, led by pioneers like John McCarthy, who coined the term artificial intelligence and developed the Lisp programming language. Marvin Minsky expanded the frontiers of neural networks and knowledge representation. Alan Turing explored the concept of machine intelligence with his groundbreaking Turing test. 1980s to 1990s. The rise of machine learning. These decades marked significant advancements in machine learning. Geoffrey Hinton, Yoshua Bengio, and Jan LeCun, often called the godfathers of deep learning, pioneered neural networks and machine learning algorithms, laying the groundwork for modern AI. 2000s. The era of data-driven AI. With the explosion of available data and advances in deep learning techniques, data-driven AI took center stage. Fei-Fei Li, also known as godmother of AI, initiated the ImageNet project in 2006, revolutionizing computer vision and machine learning by enabling machines to recognize and classify images at an unprecedented scale. 2010s. AI integration into everyday life. AI began making its way into practical applications. A major milestone was DeepMind's AlphaGo defeating a world champion in Go, showcasing AI's prowess in mastering complex strategic games. 2020s. AI in everyday life and agentic AI. Today, AI is embedded in everyday tools and applications, such as ChatGPT, which debuted in 2022. A key trend is the emergence of agentic AI, signaling the next phase of artificial intelligence, where systems exhibit more autonomy and decision-making capabilities. Agentic AI, or autonomous AI agents, are advanced systems capable of performing complex, multi-step tasks with minimal human intervention. These intelligent agents adapt in real time, analyze context, and solve problems efficiently to achieve specific objectives. By now, Lisa has come across new terms like deep learning, artificial neural networks, and GPUs. She's also aware of the various AI applications out there, such as ChatGPT, Perplexity, and DALL-E 3. But there isn't a single place where all of this is explained clearly. No problem. Understanding the AI stack can provide a complete overview. This chart, presented by Dr. Andrew Ng at the Snowflake Build 2024 conference, illustrates the AI stack. While much of the media buzz has been centered on the lower layers, especially generative AI foundation models, Dr. Ng emphasizes that the true opportunities lie in the application layer. He believes this is where the greatest value and revenue will be generated. Let's break this down layer by layer and delve into some valuable insights. 1. Hardware layer, semiconductors. At the lowest level, we have the hardware, particularly the semiconductor layer. The GPU market is dominated by three major players: NVIDIA, AMD, and Intel. As of Q4 2024, NVIDIA maintained a commanding 82% market share, while AMD rose to 17%, and Intel held a modest 1%. NVIDIA's lead is even greater in data center GPUs, holding about 92%. For companies building foundation models, relying on external chip manufacturers introduces vulnerabilities. To mitigate these risks, optimize performance, and enhance control, some companies are developing custom AI chips. For instance, Google designs tensor processing units, TPUs, specifically optimized for its TensorFlow workloads. OpenAI is creating its first proprietary AI chip, aiming to reduce dependence on NVIDIA, lower costs, and tailor chip performance to its AI models. Mass production is set for 2026, with manufacturing by TSMC. 2. Cloud infrastructure layer. Now that we've explored the hardware, let's talk about where AI operates. Most AI services we use today, such as ChatGPT, run on cloud infrastructure. For example, when you ask ChatGPT a question from your smartphone, the request travels over the internet to a data center, where powerful AI models process it. The response is then sent back to your device. The cloud is run by companies we call cloud service providers, CSPs. Major players in this space include Amazon AWS, Google Cloud, Azure, and Snowflake. When you use AI, you're actually leveraging AI in the cloud via these data centers, where computing resources are consumed much like electricity. You pay for how much you use. 3. Foundation model layer. Above the cloud infrastructure lies the foundation model trainers and models. This is where the true backbone of AI begins. With companies like OpenAI, Anthropic, Meta, Google, and Mistral building massive, pre-trained models. You've probably heard of models like GPT-4o, Claude, Llama, Gemini, and Mistral. These are the engines that power a lot of the AI tools you use every day. This layer is in a constant state of evolution, with increasingly larger, more efficient, and more powerful models being developed to push the boundaries of what AI can achieve. 4. Agentic orchestration layer. Next is the agentic orchestration layer. As highlighted in Dr. Ng's keynote, this emerging layer introduces innovative frameworks like LangChain and LangGraph, also known as Langra, for the growing need for managing complex, multi-step AI workflows. These tools focus on enabling AI systems to handle dynamic decision-making, manage states effectively, and coordinate seamlessly across multiple components. 5. Application layer, what we use. Finally, we arrive at the application layer on the top of AI stack. This is the layer you and Lisa directly engage with as users. It's where you find all the AI-powered tools and solutions that are transforming industries. Dr. Andrew Ng believes this layer presents the most significant opportunities for innovation and value creation. From healthcare to education, legal services, and beyond, this is where AI's potential transforms into accessible, intuitive applications. Tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, Wobot Health, and Harvey AI take the complex workings of AI and package them into user-friendly solutions that solve specific problems and integrate seamlessly into workflows. This is also where the magic happens, creating differentiated offerings and building lasting relationships with customers. This is where a majority of the real value of the AI stack will be earned in the coming years. How about you? After following along this far, don't you feel inspired to create an AI application that addresses real-world problems and become part of this value chain? The exciting part is, you don't need to be a large enterprise or a seasoned expert. With the right tools and guidance, you can learn to build your own application. We'll also be sharing tutorials on how to create AI applications right here on our channel, so stay tuned. Before we wrap up, here's a refined overview. 1. Artificial intelligence refers to programming machines to mimic human thinking and act intelligently. 2. AI has been shaped by decades of research and contributions from visionary minds across the globe. 3. The AI stack is composed of multiple layers working together to deliver innovative tools and services for diverse needs, with the application layer being the hub where most value and revenue are generated. Thank you for watching. In this video, we explored what AI is, its fascinating history, and its underlying stack. But this is just the beginning. In our next video, we'll dive even deeper into AI types, AI levels, and the world of machine learning. Don't miss out. Subscribe now to stay informed and take your understanding of AI to the next level. See you in the next video.